What's up, TikTok? This message is for all you guys, you new guys that are just getting started. I want to share with you two methods that you can use to build your agency. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you guys my recommendation after over 15 years of being in this business. The first method is poaching agents from another agency that has already trained an agent, recruited an agent. And what do I mean by that? Poaching. I mean, calling them, getting into their direct messaging, sending them correspondence. And what are you doing? In most cases, when someone poaches from your agency, they're going to talk garbage about you. They're going to highlight your weaknesses, and they're going to highlight their strengths. And no matter how you look at it, it is always negative. And today and age, it's so common to see that one agency targeting another agency, talking garbage about their leadership, digging up dirt about the management, things that don't even matter. And by creating that type of doubt and that negativity, agency owners have recruited people to their network of agents. And you see it all the time. You see agents talking garbage about another company, highlighting how they're better. And you know what? At the end of the day, you could make it at any company if you focus, if you go to work, because there's no perfect company. Then you got the type of agency builders that go out there and convert, whether maybe they're a waiter, they're working at a gas station. And what they do is they offer an opportunity, provide training, provide value, get them licensed, and that's how they build their agency. Two methods. And in my opinion, the poaching and the stealing agents from other companies, other groups, it's negative. And you know what's even more crazy is that in most cases, the agents that end up falling for that type of recruiting don't make it anyways. Think about that. Imagine if you're working your butt off and you're building out your agency, and one of your competitors is calling your agents, whispering in their ear, talking garbage about you, and your agent believes it, and they're off to that opportunity. The odds of that agent making it, it's not going to be very high. On the other hand, if you invest your energy, work your ass off, create opportunity for somebody where you're not making a negative impact, talking garbage about people, you'll have a healthier agency. Think about it. For years, that's been the method that I've chose. I don't go into people's DMs. I don't talk garbage about my competitors because it doesn't help. Because think about that person that we all know, so-called friends, that talk garbage behind your back. They won't say it to their face. Those are the kind of people that we all try to avoid. My recommendation is get people licensed. Attract them to your agency. And how do you do that? By your example. If you have a great vehicle, a good program, you don't need to bash other people or create doubt in other people. Sometimes agents are new to the business and they're nervous and they're susceptible to your garbage talking. And it doesn't even benefit. I'm sorry to say it doesn't benefit you. So as you're sitting here on a Saturday thinking of how you're going to build your agency and you're in those groups and in Facebook and you're only talking garbage about other people, think about what you're really doing. Instead of creating a positive environment, you're creating a negative environment, and eventually this will happen to you too. So I recommend focus on training, focus on converting people that might not be in the industry, as well as attracting people. Because through your example, you could attract the right people that align with you, your methods, and you won't be labeled as someone that's out there poaching agents from other organizations or talking garbage. To me, that's weak. And there's so much opportunity in America. In fact, this year, I've helped 953 people get into the insurance business by getting them licensed, getting them on the study courses. 953 people. Not one of those agents that I have worked with, we went out there and poached them from somebody else. There's no agency in America saying that Laurel Herrera is stealing my agents, talking garbage to my people, getting in their DMs. Doesn't happen because it's negative. And you see it all the time. So, after 20 years of being in this business, take my advice. It'll save you the drama, the headache, the fighting that's unnecessary. Because at the end of the day, those agents that fall for that garbage, when people talk garbage and they fall for it, they don't end up making it. And what good is it for you to be labeled as a poacher? Don't do it. My recommendation again, help people get licensed, attract them to your opportunity by not talking garbage, but by really presenting what you offer. So I hope that helped you. I know some of you guys are thinking that I'm crazy, probably talking garbage about me right now. But trust me when I tell you, after 20 years, you're better off developing people from the ground up than going out there talking garbage and recruiting people that way. So think about it. You guys have a great Saturday and see you at the top. Peace.